Welcome, today I'm with FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to create the home screen folders. For example, you wanna make the new folder with these three applications like Play Store, YouTube Music and YouTube. The first step is press of the application and with your finger and drag it to another application. And at the moment you'll see the new unnamed folder. If you want to repeat the action by the same way, you will just add a new application to this folder. We can also give a name to this folder, for example, apps. And at the moment, your folder will name by like apps. If you want, you can move this folder to the another screen, for example, and back. So if you press with your finger to this application, you can remove this folder, and that's going on. So if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe on our channel.